Okay, see students, this is very important question, 3 marks question. The question name is Werner's postulates. These postulates given information about the complex compounds formation. First of all, I will read all points. Each and every point explanation I will give you. Very important question. First point says students, in the complex compounds, central metal atom or ion contain two types of valencies. Simple. Central metal atom or ion contain two types of valencies. First one is primary valency. Second one is secondary valency. Primary valency is satisfied by negative ions, only negative ions. This is represented by dotted lines. Example, negative ions, chloride I considered. Next, secondary valence is satisfied by neutral molecules or negative ions. Either neutral molecules or negative ions. Secondary valence is which one is satisfied, that is represented by solid line. Next, the complex compounds, central metal atom or ion surrounded by different ligands and different coordination number. Next, sometimes both primary and secondary valence is satisfied by negative ions. See students clearly, primary valence is only negative ions, important. Secondary valence is satisfied by neutral molecules or negative ions, this is only secondary. And this point listen, both primary and secondary valence is satisfied by negative ions. Each and every point explanation I will give you now. See here, cobalt NH3 6 Cl3. Okay, the sphere outside negative ions is there. It is satisfied by primary valencies. Primary valencies, I will give you this information. Primary valencies satisfied by negative ions, represented by dotted lines. See here diagram, cobalt. Dotted lines I will give. Outside only we are represented primary valencies. Dotted lines. Okay, how we are considered primary valency? Very simple. This one, if you are considered in water, except this one, this is dissociated into ions. Except this one, this is dissociated into ions. After we are observing +3. So this is a primary valency. This primary valency will be satisfied by the negative ions. Negative ions, these are the represented by dotted lines. This is primary valency. Okay, see students, because of the primary valency, cobalt +3, you know pure cobalt 27 +3 means -3 means to remove of 3 electrons, 24 after 3d5 4s0. Here some vacant d orbitals will be present. Some vacant d orbitals will be present. After these vacant d orbitals represented by secondary valencies, it is satisfied by neutral molecules or negative ions. Sometimes 1 2 3 4 5 5 6 solid line. See here, okay, cobalt plus 3 primary valency. Because of the primary valency loss of 3 electrons, we are observe vacant d orbitals, that is called secondary valencies satisfied by ligands. These secondary valency satisfied by the ligands we are observing inside of the square bracket. This is represented by solid line. Solid line NH3, NH3, NH3. 3 ammonias completed, Cl, Cl, and one more Cl. See, this is a primary valency, but this is a secondary valency, not comparison to primary secondary valencies. Sometimes both primary and secondary valencies will be satisfied by negative ions. This is another one sphere, NH3, Cl3. Okay, there is no outside ions. Inside of these ions only satisfied by primary and secondary valencies. See students, negative ions will be satisfied by primary and secondary ions represented by solid line and dotted lines. Which one is satisfied by both primary and secondary? That negative ions is represented by solid and dotted lines. Cobalt 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, NH3, NH3, NH3. But solid line and dotted line is represented by primary and secondary. See students, here cobalt plus 3 is there. This is the primary valency, automatically satisfied by chloride. Primary valency, as usual, secondary valency. This is some different compounds. Next, this point you have to be seen. The complex compounds, central metal atom or ion, surrounded by different ligands, NH3, NH3Cl, NH3Cl, Cl, different ligands, central metal atom surrounded by some different ligands, and these apparent look like octahedral structures. Octahedral structures. Draw Werner's postulates. Drawbacks of Werner's postulates. Drawbacks. He could not explain the magnetic property and color property of complex compounds. He could not explain the different geometry of the complex compounds. These are the drawbacks of Werner's postulates. And complex polyhedron means nickel tetracarbonyl Ni CO 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 is tetrahedral, one type of geometry. Next, platinum Cl2 and NH3 whole bracket twice, PT Cl Cl NH3 NH3. This is a square planar. Next, FeCO5 trigonal bipyramidal. Here coordination number 5, coordination number is 4, here coordination number is 4. But polyhedron means central metal atom surrounded by ligands. These are given by different type of structures. Next one is cobalt NH3 6 plus 3, cobalt 1 2 3 4 5 6, NH3 Here also NH3. This is called octahedral. Octahedral. These all structures were called as polyhedron. In coordination chemistry, maximum ligands we are observing 6 only. After that, no structures, so no compounds, maximum 6. Next concept is oxidation number of the central metal atom. Oxidation number of the central metal atom. Oxidation number of the central metal atom. Calculating purpose, first of all we want to know the oxidation numbers of ligands. Example, NH3 is a neutral ligand, oxidation number is 0. H2O is a neutral ligand, oxidation number 0. Cl minus 1, oxidation number is minus 1. Next one is F minus, oxidation number is minus 1. C2O4 power minus 2, oxalic acid or oxalato minus 2, hydroxido minus 1, NO2 power minus 1, nitrosolium plus 1. Next, ethylene diamine, oxidation number 0. Okay, by using this and all, I am going to calculate the oxidation numbers of the central metal atom. Example, CFe CN6 whole power minus 4. They will be asked to calculate the oxidation number of the central metal atom. Already you know, sum of the oxidation numbers is equal to charge is there, you will be at charge. 0 is there, is equal to 0. See here, my target to calculate the oxidation number of iron. Fe plus 6 into Cn is equal to charge. Fe plus 6 into cyanide oxidation number is minus 1 is equal to minus 4. Plus into minus minus 6 is equal to minus 4. Fe minus 6 shifted this side, plus 6 minus 4 is equal to plus 2. So here iron oxidation number is plus 2. Next, cobalt NH3 6 plus 3. Okay, to calculate the oxidation number of cobalt plus 6 ligands, NH3 is equal to plus 3 is equal to charge, right? Cobalt 6, NH3 oxidation number is, students, 0. Here NH3 oxidation number is 0 is equal to plus 3, cobalt plus 3. Okay, one important point, cobalt anywhere it is represented by plus 3, it does not shows any variations. Next, carbonyl oxidation number 0. NiCO4 whole bracket 0. This is a complex compound. Ni plus 4 CO is equal to 0. Ni plus 4 carbonyl compounds oxidation number 0 is equal to 0. Metal carbonyls oxidation number is 0. These are the oxidation state of the central metal atom. Students, electrical conductivity. How many number of ions increases, conductivity is more. Okay, by this complex, how many ions we are observing? The complex compound taken in water, it dissociated into ಇದು one sphere, 1:3 ions. Overall 4 ions will be formed. ಇದು one type of complex compound. Cobalt NH3 Cl2 plus 1. Next, see students, the sphere no chance to furtherly dissociated into ions. 1:1. Here 2 ions we are observed, 2 ions. Next, cobalt NH3 Cl3 zero ions, because the sphere not dissociated furtherly. Zero ions. Here two ions. This is one and this is one. Overall, sphere is one and Cl minus is one. 1 plus 1, total 2 ions. Number of ions is more, conductivity is more. Conductivity is more. Next, K4 FeCN6. This is the sphere. The sphere not dissociated. This one ion. It is given by 4K plus ions. This is the 4 and sphere 1 FeCN6 power minus 4. But it is also a 1 ion. It is a 4 ion. So 4 is to 1. Overall 5 ions. Then compared to these ions, when you are using this compound, more ions you will get, more conductivity. So finally number of ions is more, conductivity also more. Okay, here two types of spheres we are discussing. I am going to discussing with you. This is called coordination sphere. It contains central metal atom and ligands. This is called sphere outside. Sphere outside, which one will be there? This is called ionization sphere or counter ion. Counter ion. The sphere outside of this species is called ionization sphere or counter ions. Complex compounds treated with excess of AgNO3, how many moles of AgCl will be liberated? White precipitate. How many moles of AgCl will be liberated? Okay, treated with excess of AgNO3. Once again, I am repeating these points. Inside of the species, no participated in the reaction. The sphere like that only exists. No changes in this sphere. Okay, see students, here how many chlorines are there? 3 chlorines. Sphere outside only reaction will be possible. Inside of this species are not participated in the reaction. Okay, see here 3 silvers are there, 3 chlorines are there, 3 moles of AgCl. 3 moles of AgCl will be formed. Next, AgNO3. Sphere inside 2 chlorines will be there, but 2 chlorines are not participated in the reaction because it is complex, rigidity, no chance to dissociate the ions. But outside, sphere outside of this species participated in the reaction. How many chlorides are there? 1. So here 1 mole of AgNO3 involved. Here 1 silver and 1 chloride combined, 1 mole of AgCl is formed. Next, see students, here 1 chlorine is there, sphere inside, but no use, not participated in the reaction. Okay, next, outside how many chlorines are there? 2. Outside one only participated, inside of the chlorine not participated, because the sphere is rigid, no chance to give the ions. Okay, here 2 chlorines, 2 moles you can take it out, 2 moles of AgCl is formed. This is white precipitate. Competitive point of view, these are the very important. Sometimes, except chlorides, sulfates will be there. Sulfates purpose we are using barium chloride. See how many moles of barium sulfate will be formed. Barium sulfate how many moles? Dash. Use barium chloride, BaCl2. How many sulfates are there? 1. Okay, but here 1 mole you can use. After what is the result here? BaSO4 will be formed 1 mole. It is white precipitate. This is the explanation.